To begin, I'm going to start with the window cloth, and all of this is basically under my Just Add Water package. But this is your window cloth, and this is what I call your burnt and Ernie. Your window cloth, you use it dry, you use it to polish your glass doors, polish your windows, polish your wine glasses, silverware, the headlights to your car. It's awesome. The EnviroCloth is your everything cloth. This is what's going to remove the use and need for chemicals in your home. The EnviroCloth, just a quick review, it has 8.5 million feet of fiber in every Norwex EnviroCloth. It is also very thin. If you were to take a strand of human hair and split it down lengthwise 200 times, that's how thin the fiber is in that EnviroCloth. It's all very important because you are actually using this EnviroCloth to remove everything from your surface. I'm just going to show you how it works. You wouldn't typically rub butter on your window, but I just want to show you how the cloth works. I'm going to first just turn it clean. Go ahead and do the whole thing here. And then I'll take my window cloth it's just nice, and it's streak free and very easy. These are what you call your dusting mitts. I like one, but I love two. I like two because they actually work off a static clean. So, you know, I can actually rub against each other, and you know, I can dust just different areas in my home. If I was to take it and you know, spray a little bit of water on it, I've noticed that it actually keeps the dust away longer. EnviroOne is awesome. It's flexible. It moves. You can bend it if you wanted to do your ceiling fans, for example. This part comes out, and you can attach it to your mop handle. That also comes out. So it's really nice, and then you could, you know, have it to clean your ceiling fans. But I'm just going to dust off the dust right here, for example. It's just really, well, you might need to do it like that, but it's just really nice. The other one of my favorites is my bathroom scrub mitt. It basically doubles, great for cleaning window screens with the soft one, and then the scrubby side for the soap scum that is in the tile. So it makes my cleaning much easier because now I'm eliminating all that buildup from the hard water that we have here in where we live in Botetourt County, and also the buildup from the soap scum. So at the end of the week, I don't have that much. I basically just clean as I go along. Every week, I kind of pick up I collect all of my cloths, and then I stick it in the washer and dry it in the dryer. And you do want to use a laundry detergent that is filler free, and that it doesn't have any chlorine. Basically you just want to stick it in there with clothes that are not linty, so linty free clothes. So I just basically stick all my cloths in there together, and I keep them separate. I do recommend, but you don't have to, but I highly recommend the laundry detergent that Norwex carries, and it is just 100% pure soap, basically, without all those chemicals and the fillers and the scents, so it is scent free. I recommend that with the dryer balls because that way you don't have to use any of those fabric softeners, and all of those chemicals are entering into your body through your clothes. So again, those 28 seconds that your body takes for that chemical to be absorbed through your skin is critical, and it's this helps, those dryer balls help so that you don't have to use the fabric softeners and dryer sheets. I'm going to take the chicken and I'm just going to rub it on my kitchen surface here. First test here, and my chicken is right here, you can see it. I'm going to get it moist. The more moist it is, the better the test will. We're just going to give it a few seconds. As you can see, it's already turning purple. I don't know if you can see that. It's already turning purple. And the longer it sits on here, and we'll come back to it so you can see it, the more purple it's going to turn. Okay? All right. So I'm going to take my microfiber cloth, and I'm going to run it underneath cold water. And I'm going to take my other one, it's right here, I'm going to swipe. The greener it is, the cleaner it is. No. Okay. The last one that I want to show you is the mop system. Bends like this so that you can basically get into those hard spots like underneath the sofa and the couch, but you use it on lock. Again, it just basically doesn't go side to side so that you can dust off your walls, and you can use it on windows, high windows. But if you unlock it, this is what you want to use when you are basically sweeping and mopping around your hardwood floors, all of the floors. This is your dry pad. This is what basically you're going to use to sweep, and it's made of the same microfiber on here as what you see on the cloth. And then you're going to take this one off after you finish sweeping. And you want to, you can either spritz this with water for hardwood floors, or you can take it underneath the drain, the water, and just, you know, wet this whole thing, and then just kind of roll it like this. Remove all the water, and again, you're going to attach it to the Velcro, and you want to do this on the floor, obviously. And there's lots of videos out there that you can see on YouTube on how to use the mop system itself. But so this is how you would then sweep up, mop your floors. All of these products that I shared with you tonight are the essentials of Norwex. It is how you can put Norwex into your entire home and save lots of money, make your cleaning much easier, much faster, much cheaper, and much safer for your family and loved ones. I cannot imagine cleaning with anything but Norwex. And Norwex does have a lot of happy customers across the nation and across the world. Many more homes that have yet to hear about Norwex. And we go from home to home, and I do it through Facebook and mainly, so it is much easier for me as a stay-at-home mom and a homeschooler. You can see yourself as a consultant. Please feel free to message me. I want to hear from you. Make sure you take a look at my personal specials this year that I will post after this the show. So thank you again for taking the time to join the event.